don't expect us to keep them safe 90% of the time. They expect us to keep them safe 100% of the time.
Clearly, federal law says that no employer can mandate that an employee takes the vaccine.
It is follow the leader when it comes to vaccine requirements, with another big one announced today in Dane County.
SSM Health announced theirs weeks ago. Today, UW Health joins Green Bay-based Previa Healthcare and Marshfield Clinic in requiring all of their employees to get vaccinated or run the risk of losing their jobs. Adam Duxter joins us live from UW Health with how this could result in yet another legal battle. Adam?
Yeah, just over the course of the last few days, a number of prominent healthcare groups are joining on with this stance. And they say the rate at which COVID is spreading, especially amongst unvaccinated people, is the reason why.
After new cases of the coronavirus, along with hospitalizations in Dane County, dipped earlier this summer, Dr. Jeff Potoff says the Delta variant has thrown the health system a curveball even the best can't hit.
We started to see additional cases in our hospital. We started to see staff testing positive.
With 90% of staff vaccinated, leaders at the health system announced today the 2,000 who aren't need to at least begin the process before October 1st or potentially lose their jobs.
So we're trying to be reasonable, but at the same time, send a clear message.
SSM Health took the same stance on June 28th.
They wanted to be safe themselves, and they wanted to make sure that we create a safe environment for our patients.
Since that mandate, they've seen 3% more of their staff get the vaccine, but still have just under 3,000 who haven't. And those are people attorney Michael Anderson says should have a choice.
And I don't think these people who have spent years working for their employers should face going out on the streets.
Earlier this year, Anderson argued the emergency use clause meant Rock County couldn't mandate the vaccine for staff at Rockhaven Nursing Home, and eventually the county reversed their decision. SSM Health says a federal ruling that upholds employers' rights to require vaccines means any challenge won't work.
We hope we don't get to face a legal challenge, but if we do, we'll certainly go through it, and we won't be the first health system in the country to have done that.
Potoff says, politics aside, this is a decision meant to slow the spread of COVID and ultimately keep patients safe.
They don't expect us to keep them safe 90% of the time. They expect us to keep them safe 100% of the time.
Attorney Michael Anderson says since SSM's mandate went into place in late June, he's had a number of healthcare employees here in Dane County reach out to him directly. He says it likely won't be until after that October mandate that a lawsuit could really get going.